Ng taong bayan ngayon, naniningil na nung mga pangako dun sa first zona. If you go by the first zona, because it's in the first zona where a new president sets up his goals, his priorities, no? The things that he wants to do, no? At pag pinakinggan mo yung first zona, napakaganda actually. No? Unang-una, pinuri niya pa si Pangulong Duterte doon. At sinabi niya, the state of the nation is sound coming from President Duterte's administration. Pero ngayon, lahat na ginagawa nila para i-demonize ang mga Duterte, si Pangulong Duterte, kung ano-anong iniimbento nilang hindi naman ginawa ni Pangulong Duterte, kung ano-anong kasinungalingan ng gagaling lalo sa kanyang spokesperson, si Auntie Claire, no? At patuloy nilang dinidemonize si Vice President Inday Sara through the impeachment trial. Puro nag-iimbento ng kwento, no? It's all a charade, no? What's happening. So, ang taong bayan ngayon, na hirap dahil mataas ang presyo ng lahat ng bilihin, inflation has gone haywire, no? We have the highest inflation rate in all of Southeast Asia, in all of ASEAN. No? Parang ano nagawa mo sa lugar ng 4 na taon, no? Para gumanda naman miski na papano ang buhay namin. Coming as it does from 2 years of the pandemic, yung COVID, na dahil sa pamamahala ni Pangulong Duterte, we were able to save many lives. We were able to graduate from COVID na hindi naman gaanong na marami namatay o di kaya bumagsak ang ekonomiya. We were already on the way to recovery in 2022. So, I really do not know what he can do further, no? To improve the situation and the lives of the ordinary Filipino.